Oh my god, this year it snowed like crazy. Like, I'm like, look at all this snow. That shit is crazy. So much snow. We finally got some snow. We finally got some crazy snow this year. A lot of snow. As you can see. Damn, it's wild up in here. All the snow. Yeah, I'm gonna start going slow because there's a lot of snow. This shit is wild. All the snow, all the snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Big piles of fucking snow on that side. I'm in the middle of the street, like walking throughout this fucking snow because this is fucking ridiculous. And it's too much snow. Too much snow this year. Trying not to fall. Any cars? Nope, no cars coming. I'm surprised. Look like a car stuck on that side. I don't know what the hell is going on. It's a lot of snow. Mountains and mountains of snow. Sounds like something's coming behind me. Yeah. As you can see, a lot of snow here. Wow. Fucking bitch. Excuse my language. For this hot mess. And there goes the 84. I missed it, and that was the 84 I was supposed to freaking catch. I agree. I just missed the 84. We just made it to the plaza. There's so much freaking snow, like it's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna end it here, you guys. Look at all the snow. We got the biggest snowstorm in Philadelphia history. Goodbye.